So that was quite an interesting talk from Adam Bean, right? And we actually had a good number of questions, I think, for him.
Yeah, no, it's. I mean, being the moderator for Adam is always you have to be on edge because he asks questions all the time, and
Yeah,
so. But
that was
feel
fun though.
free to do so. It keeps us alive.
Yeah. But I think so. Now that we talked about events that we participated at this year, I think the other interesting topic for the community members might be about swag, actually.
Yeah.
And I think the question that we get asked most of the time is how can they receive a swag, right? I think the answer is pretty simple. They can just, the simple way to answer that is actually participation and getting involved, right? So we talked about, we need more contributors, we need the community members to get involved. So one of the ways that you can actually receive swag is through contributing to Jakarta EE. The other way is to, participate at face-to-face events because there we usually have a booth or we're at presence at a member booth and we do a lot of, giveaways there. And the other way is, participate at organizing a virtual Jakarta One live stream, which is the regional ones, right? So yeah, if you get involved, for sure, you can win a swag or receive a swag. But my other question is that what is your favorite swag? And we have that in the poll. So please check that out and let us know what type of swag is your favorite one. But I want to hear from Ivar because obviously Ivar goes to a lot of conferences and he meets with the community members at a regular basis. So what do you think, Ivar? What is your favorite one?
Yeah, I mean, I love all kinds of swag, and especially swags that I can use and kind of makes my life easier because
Yeah.
when you travel a lot, you don't want to bring so much clothing and stuff. So I can go to a conference and be fully dressed by just wearing swag. So if they only would give me underwear and swimsuits and socks and everything, then I wouldn't have to pack a bag to go to the conference. I can just go and get stuff there.
That's true. That's true. Okay.
We also have created a little video
Yeah,
for
exactly.
for showing some of this stuff.
Yes, sharing some of our swag items. I think that'll be interesting. Let's watch that.
Yeah, I'll start this one and then. Yeah, so if you're at a Java conference around the world and you meet me there, make sure to join me for the community runs that I usually do there, and I'll hook you up with some nice t-shirts and we'll get for a run.
Well, that was a nice footage from you were running, and I believe you run a lot with community members at these events, right?
Yeah, we do. Usually when we're at conferences, we send out a tweet or something. Let's do a community run, and we have these nice runners t-shirts to give away to
Right.
those running with us. So, and I can promise you that we will have more shirts for next year. So whenever you're at the conference, you just find me and we will go for a run. We don't usually run long or fast or anything. Everybody can join.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you. Like, how many kilometers do you usually, run for? And is it early in the mornings?
Usually it's early in the morning because we have talks and
Right.
you want to go to the conference. So we don't want to kind of keep people away from the keynote because we
That's
want to
true.
go running
Okay.
around the city or anything. But usually it's better to run in the morning. It's less traffic. It's
Yeah.
less people out, and the weather is cooler. So
That's
it's nice.
nice. Yeah.
And actually now for the upcoming winter conferences, we may have some reflective gear
That's
to
true.
to
We're
have
working
because
on it.
we don't want to lose any developers. out running.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, we're going to keep you warm.
Yeah. So
Okay, that's nice.
yeah, and so yeah, we talked about favorite swag and stuff, and it's about things that you use and use again, because
Yeah.
there are so many things that you pick up at a conference and you just throw it in the trash can at the hotel or something. So or you bring it home or just use it at the conference, but things that we see come again and again, like
Yeah.
the screen vibes for glasses
Right,
and stuff.
it's
That's
very
probably the
useful.
one I'm using the most.
Okay, actually, I wanted to ask you this question. What is your least favorite swag item?
Yeah, I know your favorite is the mouse pads, but
No
but-
way.
Yeah, so I think we learned from that one that
Yeah.
we should rethink those.
Yeah.
First of all, they were heavy.
Yeah.
So I brought a stack of them home, and I either had to pay overweight baggage or
Right.
take them as hand luggage. So I boarded a plane here in Canada with like 50 mouse pads under my arm.
Yeah.
And that's not a fun thing.
Exactly, but we learned and now we know better. So we're just trying to get stuff that are used the best, and that's why we're asking the question in the poll. We want to hear from you. What is your favorite swag item, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So I guess the next session will start at 11, but we're going to go through a break for us to be able to change our crowdcast sessions, right?
Yeah, because Crowdcast has a limitation on how long a single session can go. So we're going to do some switching in the back room here. And if you just stay in the session you are right now, you will be pulled over in the next one.
Yeah, automatically.
And I
So-
think those listening on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook,
resume.
I don't think you will notice anything. It just will be a break
Yeah,
in the feed and then it'll start
exactly.
up again.
Yes, yeah. So I guess we'll see you all at 11 with the next speaker session, right? Which is...
Yeah, the next one would be Andro from Omnifish.
okay, perfect.
Yeah, and he will be talking about Piranha Cloud. And we really have a lot of fishes in the
I
ecosystem
know,
there.
yeah,
Yeah.
and it's growing, right?
It is.
Yeah.
So he will talking about Piranha Cloud, from Eclipse Glassfish to Superfast Cloud and serverless Jakarta EE.
Mm-hmm.
So we're looking forward to that at 11.
11.
So that's in 5 minutes. So now is the time to take a break. Maybe check the
Cup of
score
coffee.
on the World Cup matches. I don't know if maybe I shouldn't mention that because we want to keep you here.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
you should
yeah,
not
no.
anymore.
But
Yeah, keep watching.
keep watching. So we'll be back soon.
Yeah.